In today's video, I'm going to share with us how we can earn from Quora. So on this site called Quora, we can make money just by posting, and I'm going to show us how we can earn using our phone and AI. So the first thing you need to do is to create accounts on this site. So for you to get started, you need to create accounts, and you can create your accounts on the site with your email, or you sign in with your Google account. So just need to click on Google and you choose your Google, and you'll be able to sign in on the account. So I've already created account, so I'm going to log in with my details. So I'm going to choose my details and log in now. So the first thing is to put your email address on the email address. So you will see where to put your email address. After that, you put your password, and after we have input our password, the next thing is for us to log in. Right, so you wait for it to load and come up. So this is the site, and here there are two things we can do and that will help us to be able to earn very well. The first thing we need to do is to create a space. But one thing about it is that creating a space will not earn you money because you are in Nigeria, and if you want to be earning through space, you need to be using VPN. So you need to create your account with VPN. But creating a space will also help us to reach more people, and that is why I will also teach us on how to create a space and also be able to earn from answering question. And you are going to be answering this question with the help of Chatgpt. And when you answer the question, you earn by referring the people who are looking for the answers to a particular. So to create the space, just click on create, and it will show up. Then you can, it will bring your name because of the name you use in creating the account. Then you can erase it and put your own preferred name. So let's put things, let me put this there, things around the world. All right, so this is unavailable, so I'm going to change it. So I think that one is sticking. So you can name your thing, you can name your space any name. You just make sure the name and what you are going to be sharing on the space is related to the name of the space, because if it is related, then you are going to get more people into the space within a short period of time, and people are going to be able to find your space and join. And if you share anything, you share, if you any question you answer, then make sure you are using your space to answer it most of the time, so that when people see that you are referring and answering answering the question and tagging your space, then they will be able to join through from the question. So that's another thing. All right, so this is also unavailable, so I'm going to add. Okay, so let's see, great. So I'm going to add insights. All right, I think so. Let me insights, right? So this is insights. I think this one is available now. Then we can press create to create our space. So it is available, and we have created the space. And if you want to share your link to people to join, you can also copy the link and share it to people, right? So then the next thing I will do is just to skip this place and we move to the next step. So don't forget, we have created a space, and I want us to go through the space board to know things. We're supposed to be earning from space from Nigeria, but it's not here. Our country is not here monetized for space. So this is one of the things and one of the reasons why this strategy that I want to share with you. You need to watch the video to the end. So this is our space dashboard, and here we can attach the we can edit and attach our logo and everything, and we can also add some details about us. So, and we can invite someone to be a contributor. I'm a contributor, then you can still add someone to be the admin of the page, and here we can still edit our credential, everything about us, and we can also add admin and everything. So the next thing I want to show us is admin log. So we are going to move to admin log, and here is where we are going to see our stats and also be able to see if we are monetized, the analytics of traffic and everything. So if people are seeing our traffic and everything. So I'm going to scroll down and show us the next thing, which is, so here is where you will know if you are monetized. So let me just scroll down a bit. So here is where we put our cover photo and everything. So they say which types of content can be added, question and post, anything can be added. So you can see now monetization. We will notify you once any program are supported. So monetization of space is not supported in Nigeria, but you can look for supported country, and if you see supported country, you can use VPN. And I think they pay through Stripe and PayPal, so you need to create Stripe accounts. Now the next thing I want to show is how to make money from answering questions. So you can see something like this. What is, if you go to the question space, so you will see something like this. What is believable about evolution logical? So something like this, you can just answer question like this to earn from Quora. So, and another thing is, if you want to answer question like this, you need to use a Chatgpt. You don't need to be disturbing yourself of you thinking of what type of things I'm going to write here. So just go to your Chatgpt and you click on it to just get in and copy the question and put it there. So we are in. So I will just put the question there, and I will let it finish. So it's still loading. Let me get back. So we can still ask. You can ask another question. You can look for another question, and you can still ask another question, and just make sure you answer questions that are related. So this is loading already now. So let's the Alright, so I want to look for another question. You can see this one, how you can learn fast. So people are looking for different questions. So Quora is a place where people look for different answers to questions. So you can just copy this one. So this is the answer to the question being asked by someone. Then so just copy it. Don't copy the statement of the ChatGPT so that your content will look real. So you need uh, to leave the to just highlight the main answer to the question. Don't copy the statement. So like this one now, you can see different questions. What are the best way to lose weight? So if you have a waist link of products, maybe you have a product you can just offer this person, you can just copy the link and answer. But the one thing is you need to provide answer to the question, and you can redirect them to the link. But for me, I think that one is uh somehow, you know, person need to buy the product before you can earn from it. So that's why I don't use a product link. Although product link can work, but you need to send at least, let's say, 100 questions every day. But if you have like something that people can click on and earn from it immediately, like pay-per-click sites that someone can click and earn from. If you send like 100 questions a day, then you can make at least maybe $3 or $2 from it every day, and I think that's okay, right? So now I just want to go back to the question. I'm copying the question again to look for the question, because I've started looking for another question and it has wiped away the one we were looking for before. So this is the question. So I've used the question to look for the question again. Then I'll just click on the question so that I can able to answer the question. So the question is already loading. I'm going to wait a bit for it to appear, and I'm going to use that, and I'll be able to. So this is the question. Then the next thing is to just paste what we have copied on our board. So you can add credit. So here is where you can attach your this thing, your space. So credit credentials, alright. So just put space name. So just put the space name and you add it. So it's now added. Then you can paste the question there. Just go there back and paste, copy the question. So then we can paste it back to the space given to us. So for me, I like putting so now here, to earn from this we need a link of an offer. Are you getting that? So for me, I like using Astera or Monetag. So I'll just write this here. You can see what I'm writing. I like putting the question at the top of the answer, because some people, once they read through and they have gotten a little of what they are looking for, they might not want to click on the link. So that's why I do put the link at the heading. Let me say at the heading or at the very first page of my answer to the question. So you can see what I put here now. Then you go to if you have monetized, I've been talking about it. You can earn money when people click on your link. So you can just go to the site and you copy the link of the you copy the link, direct go to your direct link to copy the link of the site. So you just need people to click and fill the link to earn. So that's another. So I've copied it. Then I will go and shorten the link. You need to shorten the link. If you don't shorten the link, it might give you, they might reject it. So we are going to copy the link there and shorten it. So then you just need to paste the link, then click on shorten. So the link is already shortened, and just copy the link. So I've copied the link, then I will get back to the sites and put my link here. This Quora is very great because people do come here to look for questions. So imagine 1,000 people look at your answer, see your answer, and like 100 people click on it. So this is where you can still get quality traffic. So then you post it. So I've answered the question, and this is how it will look. So just click on done. So this is it. At the core of evolution is a logical process. You can get relevant answer here. So the person will, that will trigger the person to click on the link, and you can see, I think some people have also answered the question as well. So you can still answer another question. You can still look for this uh, question page to answer questions. And if you don't, you can still go to the search bar and write the type of question you want. This one, how can you learn fast? Then we can still answer this question as well. You can still answer the question as well. They have provided over 974 answers to this, and if you still want to contribute, then you can still put your own there. So I've already generated answer to this question on Chatgpt. I don't want this video to be longer than this. And the next thing is to copy the question, to copy the answer the way I did before. So you can see now that, right, I will just put this there so that they will feel like, okay, so you can see what I'm writing to make it look, before I share my insight about this. Here is a great book. So I don't have any book. I just want to redirect the person to my direct link. So that's just the trick. If you don't want to use Monetag, you don't want to use Astera, you can use anyone you like. But me, I like a pay-per-click site so that they don't need to buy anything. And if you are marketing a CPA offer, you can still put it. And if you want to earn from the space, as I said, you need to use VPN to create a space account and your account, and when you use that, you will see your dashboard, and you'll be able to get paid by posting. So I've done that. I already added the link again, then we paste the answer. So let us copy the answer and paste it. Alright, we have done that. Then the next thing is to post. So this is how you can earn from this. So if you like this video and you want to see more of this, how I share about making money online, money making tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me, so that whenever I drop content like this, you'll be able to notified. Thanks for watching.